How to withdraw funds through Netspend mobile app. Let's get started. Log into your account. Open the Netspend mobile app and log in using your username and password. If you haven't already, you can download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts or My Accounts section of the app. Here you will see available balance and transaction history. Choose the Withdraw Funds. Look for an option that allows you to withdraw funds from your Netspend account. This may be labeled as withdraw money, transfer funds, or something similar. Select your withdrawal method. Netspend offers various withdrawal options including transferring funds to a linked bank account, requesting a check, or using the Netspend card to make purchase or withdraw cash at ATMs. Confirm withdrawal details. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and follow the prompts to confirm the transaction. Be sure to review any associated fees or processing times. After completing the withdrawal request, you'll receive a confirmation message on the app. This confirms that your withdrawal has been initiated. Wait for funds to arrive. Depending on the withdrawal method you choose, it may take some time for the funds to become available in your bank account or for the check to arrive by mail. Keep an eye on your Netspend account and linked bank account to ensure that the withdrawal has been processed correctly and the funds are deducted accordingly. And there you have it. With Netspend mobile app, withdrawing funds from your account is quick and simple. Thanks for watching.